Good morning, everybody. For today's video, I'm just gonna shoot around with my new phone. It's actually an old, but I bought it brand new. Anyway, it's the Google Pixel 3a XL, and I've been wanting to test this camera out for quite a bit. So for today, we're gonna shoot around with this camera. Of course, we have the external mic. See ya. Alrighty, our first stop today is K&K Island Pride here in Delap. So we're gonna go get some bread and some maybe peanut butter too. I'm not too sure. Why am I going to be on Army PG Liga?
Good morning.
Italy. Nikki. So right now we're in K&K. We're gonna go look for some bread and some peanut butter. Yeah. Purchasing items. Balik dito lang kayo. Come on. Sarap manood. Okay lang, mate. Logong. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to head to Easy Price to get some Similac milk for my boy. Now say I'm my boy. So y'all enjoy the trip.
To side, cause wrestling will sing for you all night long. Come on, everybody, body dance. Cause I feel like a chick that puts me around. Take one color, take one color. Try me to win, might come along. Come on, everybody, body dance. Cause I feel like a chick that puts me around. Take one color, take one color. Try me to win, might come along. Everybody.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like Easy Price is not open yet, so I'm gonna drop off my son and come back later. Oh well. Well, I'm back here at Catholic or Assumption. I'm gonna get my son and drop him off with the babysitter. Adventurous day today so far. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like my adventures for today has come to an end, but I do hope you guys enjoyed those drives with me and K&K. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Remember, New Year's is coming soon, so y'all be safe. You know, be with your families, work and go home. You know, life is too short. You guys gotta enjoy time with your families and friends. Take it easy. Kidding.